Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the deck and underlayment are ready. Use 1/2 or thicker sheathing and synthetic underlayment overlapped 2 to shed water. Once done, orient the first metal panel square to the eave and rake. This sets all panel alignment. Use manufacturer-approved metal fasteners into ribs or flats where specified. Drive each fastener perpendicular and snug, not overdriven, spacing about 12 at seams and 18 in field panels to control movement. You now focus on seams and flashing because leaks occur at weak joins. Overlapping must follow the profile, 1 rib or 2, to maintain water flow. Once panels are lapped, apply compatible butyl sealant at critical seams and under flashings, and fit closure strips to block wind-driven rain. Make sure flashings are seated and fastened to structure, not to panels, so panels can expand. Tighten fasteners to compress washer without crushing it. This prevents leaks while permitting thermal movement. You finish by installing ridge cap and all trim, using backer where required and butyl seal at ends to stop cap lift. Ensure vents are clear so the roof can breathe. Trim rake and eave edges flush, secure with rivets or screws, and seal exposed cuts to prevent corrosion. If a leak shows later, check overlaps, washer seating, and flashing terminations first. Those are the most common failures. If a fastener is loose, replace it. If sealant failed, remove and reseal with compatible material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.